Welcome to Roadrunner, your go-to channel for all things automotive. In today's video, we're diving deep into the much-anticipated 2025 Mahindra XUV400. This all-electric SUV has garnered attention with its promise of advanced features, impressive specs, and the reliability Mahindra is known for. Whether you're an electric vehicle enthusiast or just someone looking for a new family-friendly SUV, this review will give you all the details you need. The 2025 Mahindra XUV400 has been designed with a blend of futuristic technology and rugged elegance. It sports a modern and aerodynamic design that sets it apart from traditional SUVs. With a sleek front grille, sharp LED headlights, and a sculpted body, the XUV400 looks both stylish and aggressive. The wide stance and bold lines give it a road presence that's hard to ignore. The design is tailored to appeal to urban drivers who want a vehicle that can perform in both city traffic and outdoor adventures. Under the hood, the XUV400 is powered by an electric motor that produces a substantial 150 horsepower, making it capable of delivering a smooth yet powerful driving experience. The SUV boasts an impressive range of around 450 kilometers on a single charge, thanks to its 39.4 kilowatt-hours battery pack. This means you can drive long distances without the worry of frequent recharges. The fast charging feature is another highlight of this model, with the ability to charge the battery up to 80% in just 50 minutes using a DC fast charger. This makes it ideal for those who are always on the go and need to minimize downtime. The XUV400 offers a seamless driving experience with its electric powertrain, which delivers instant torque, making acceleration quick and smooth. Whether you're navigating tight corners or cruising on highways, the handling is responsive, and the suspension ensures a comfortable ride even on rougher roads. The SUV also offers different driving modes, including Eco, Normal, and Sport, allowing drivers to choose the mode that best suits their needs, whether it's for efficiency or performance. Inside, the 2025 Mahindra XUV400 impresses with a spacious, well-appointed cabin that prioritizes comfort and technology. The interior features high-quality materials, with soft touch surfaces and a modern layout that enhances the driving experience. The centerpiece of the cabin is a large, high-resolution touchscreen infotainment system that supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, giving you access to music, navigation, and various apps with ease. The system is intuitive and easy to use, ensuring you stay connected while on the road. The XUV400 also comes equipped with a premium sound system, climate control, and comfortable seating for 5 passengers. The rear seats offer ample legroom and headspace, making it a comfortable ride for everyone. Additionally, the vehicle provides a decent amount of boot space for luggage or other storage needs, further enhancing its practicality for everyday use. The cabin is designed to provide a premium feel, and Mahindra has succeeded in creating a space that feels both modern and functional. When it comes to safety, the 2025 XUV400 is packed with features designed to keep you and your passengers protected. It includes multiple airbags, ABS with EBD, electronic stability control, and rear parking sensors. The SUV also comes with a host of advanced driver assistance systems, such as lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking. These features work together to provide an added layer of safety, making the XUV400 a reliable vehicle for long drives as well as city commutes. In terms of driving dynamics, the Mahindra XUV400 is built to perform. The electric powertrain offers smooth acceleration and a quiet ride, which makes it ideal for urban driving. The SUV's handling is precise, and the low center of gravity, thanks to the battery placement, adds to the stability and balance. Whether you're navigating busy streets or taking it off the beaten path, the XUV400 offers an impressive driving experience. The 2025 Mahindra XUV400 is available in several attractive colors, including oceanic blue, Everest white, and Napoleon red. allowing you to choose the one that suits your style. The exterior color choices are designed to match the bold and modern look of the vehicle, making it a head-turner on the road. In conclusion, the 2025 Mahindra XUV400 is a standout option for those looking to make the switch to an electric vehicle without compromising on style, performance, or features. With its impressive range, advanced technology, and spacious, comfortable interior, it's clear that Mahindra has created a strong contender in the electric SUV market. The XUV400 is perfect for those looking for an eco-friendly yet powerful vehicle that can handle both urban and rural driving conditions. If you enjoyed this review and want to stay updated on the latest in the automotive world, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Roadrunner. We have more exciting content coming your way, so make sure you don't miss out. Thanks for watching.